on our way to Animal Kingdom. We should hopefully be set to be there at about 9 o'clock. We're hoping to get there earlier, but running a little bit late. First thing we're going to do, we've got 3 fast passes booked. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get in and go straight to Avatar and just get in there. Flight of passage.
I couldn't get fast passes for mine.
Yeah, we can get fast passes, but anyway, we'll keep you updated as we get in. Of course, we'll show you what it looks like in the different places. So we have arrived at Disney's Animal Kingdom. There we go. I'm trying to find a park.
I'm trying to get in.
How to get in. So they have these shuttles. Oh, right. So we just made it in. That's the home tree. T-Rex. Look how awesome that is. So we're still in the ruins of Nepal. So we're heading towards the Navi River ride now. We've got half an hour to get there. Yeah, maybe we can eat something there. So we're now currently at the floating islands of Pandora. So we have a traditional Pandoran dessert.
It's a blueberry cream cheese mousse. That's what it looks like on the inside.
Apparently this is a signature dish. So how is it?
Not bad. I feel like it's not blueberry enough. But with this thing on top is like a passion fruit. They say passion fruit curd, but it's more like, that's not hard.
Is it worth it? Is it good?
I like it, but I feel like you have to ration this out, so you have a little bit with each bite.
Oh, okay.
Been feeling hangry.
No, I just felt annoyed at the Navi ride.
Yeah, so then, we forgot to update that the Navi River, we have a fast pass for the Navi River, but it's down for maintenance, so it looks like we can't even have a fast pass for it at all today, which is really annoying.
And the flight of passage is a 3-hour wait right now, which doesn't matter. I mean, at the end of the day, we'll line up and do work. We'll finish all our work once we've, and it'll be fine. So we have to do that anyway, so we might as well line up and do that. But it's like, it's just frustrating. But it's okay. It's okay.
But anyway, we're making ourselves feel better with food. Ribs and rice.
Look at that.
How Chinese is that?
Look at that.
So we're at the Harambe market.
Yeah, so it's called the Harambe market. They've got random dishes, actually. Yeah. I mean, the food looks
and
good.
I've got a beef and lamb gyros. And there's a little snack place around the corner that does Malva pudding Sunday.
Yeah?
So I would like to have it. Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do that. We're going to do that. So Karen got herself a, what is it called again? A rum blossom. A rum blossom. It's a traditional Navi drink. There you go. And then I got myself a giant pretzel. So to put in perspective with Karen's face, there you go. It's massive. It's literally a colossal pretzel. Sorry, how is it? Good? Here's the giant pretzel. It's actually massive. Sorry? Did I say you go ball things? Can you give me one?
It's like juice inside.
Oh. So we are in Pandora, and we're waiting for it to get dark so we can experience the magic of Pandora. And they're starting to come on now, so all the little bits and pieces are coming on. That's pretty exciting stuff. But yeah, so we've just been to the Navi River ride, and we were shit scared that we weren't going to be able to experience it because
It's been closed all day.
it's been closed to technical difficulties. Someone just probably just forgot to show up. And then we keep booking the fast pass, and then suddenly at 7 o'clock it said, yep, it's up and running. So we got to experience that. So we got to do everything we wanted to do here. And the last thing is the Pandora, which is the nighttime Pandora, so it's pretty cool.
Probably won't be able to film too much because it's too dark.
Yeah. Well, you can still see. Look, see? You can kind of see the little plants lighting up and stuff. But hello everyone. As you can see, I've been wearing a hat all day, and my hair's all flat and sweaty, and I look exhausted because we are exhausted. Karen's ready to go to bed. We're just finishing up some work. See, we had to do work while we were at the park, which actually was quite handy because we waited quite a bit for Flight of Passage in Pandora, in Animal Kingdom, and we did it twice, so we actually finished half our work there, and then we finished half of it just when we got home. So it's almost midnight, we're ready to go to bed. Tomorrow's Magic Kingdom, and we'll give you a little bit of a rundown on that when we get there. But for now, good night, because we are so tired. Cool, see you guys.